back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So I'm back again with another new product review video. Today I'm going to do the review of this product. This is Indus Valley hair color. It is organically made. It's organic natural hair color, and it claims it has no PPD, no hydrogen peroxide, no ammonia and no barium. So I have used it and I got excellent result out of it. It is having no chemical, and when you use it you feel fresh as it has no chemical. Your eyes don't burn, you feel fresh and you feel rejuvenated. So I am using dark brown color today. I will show you the demo and you can see the results. I've already applied it and you can see the color is really nice, and the texture of my hair has become very smooth and silky. So if you are craving for such hair, then please do watch the video and do let me know how did you find the video in the comment section. So first I would like to show you the box. The packaging is really nice. You can see the sleek packaging, and it claims that it is made up of all natural products like aloe vera, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, orange peel oil and honey, organic basil, wheat germ oil. So all these are really nice. These are having very good beneficial effect on our hair, and I've felt it, and that's why I'm recommending this to you all. Directions for use is really easy. You have to wear the gloves, take a glass or a plastic bowl, and then you have to pour the sachet of Indus Valley herbal coloring powder and mix it with aloe honey gel, and you have to mix it. Then you can see the black color, instantly it comes. And then with the help of the brush you have to apply the mixture on the grey hair. Use it to apply on the hair roots and allow the mixture to stay on hair for 30 to 35 minutes. And for stubborn and resistant grey hair, add warm heat for first 10 to 15 minutes. So for my hair, as I have thick hair, I have to do heat treatment with hair dryer. So I would recommend, if you have thick hair, please go for it. And now after this, after the heat treatment, you have to keep it for half an hour more. And after that you have to rinse your hair thoroughly with mild gentle shampoo. So it's very easy to use, very easy to apply. I will show you the demo, so please stay tuned and keep watching. One thing about this product is, friends, it is purely Indian. It's herbal and Ayurvedic. So please use it and let me know how do you find it in the comment section below. So friends, I have shampooed my hair, and as you can see the grey part over here, I have some grey hair as well. So now I'm going to apply this Indus Valley herbal hair color. It's gel hair creme. I don't know, I've never applied it. I'm going to apply it for the first time, and I think it's really good. So I have seen some more reviews, but I will apply it and I will tell you the honest review, whether it really gives good coverage or not, whether it's good for the hair or not. So please keep watching. over here, as you can see. So I've done touch up of my hair, so let's see how it comes. We have to wait for half an hour, and after half an hour I will give it a wash. But before that, they have instructed if we have thick hair, then we must go for heat treatment, that is with the hair dryer. We have to keep on blowing for 10 to 15 minutes so that we get good gray coverage. So since you can see, I'm already having a lot of thick hair. Since you can see I'm having thick hair, so I need this heat treatment. So I have my hair dryer with me. So I'm going to use this hair dryer. Yes, and I'm going to heat in this way because I've never done this before. This is something I'm doing for the first time, but I think, and I really hope it works, because one more thing I want to tell you all friends, that it has a very fruity smell. So it's very pleasing. When you apply it, you don't feel that irritation when you apply chemical hair dyes. So it's having a very soothing, pleasing smell. So I'm very happy with the smell, and the texture is really nice. And let me do the heat treatment. I hope it really works well for me. So as they have told, you have to do it for 10 to 15 minutes. So let me do. So friends, I'm back after 30 minutes. You can see the color has come really well. It's very nicely pigmented. You can see the part where I had gray hair, it's all gone. It's nicely covered, and the coverage is really nice. And after the hair wash, my hair looks quite smooth and silky. I'm having no problem as such. When I used to use chemical hair dye, I used to feel really bad. My hair used to feel so bad, very harsh to touch, and I really didn't like it much. But today I'm very much satisfied. I will give it 10 out of 10. I'm really happy, and I would recommend you all to go for it. Those who are worried about chemical hair dyes, don't worry. You have Indus Valley. If you use it, you are going to be really satisfied like me. Then please check the description box below. I will give the link so that you can buy it from Amazon. I hope you all liked this video, and I hope it was useful for you all. So please stay tuned. I will come up with more new videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.